Okay, Doc, with us, I think Yambra Okada and Sam so about 12 surprisingly. Okada airtrain the pa motorcycle ya didn't nam krumi. Ghana Medical Association mo position pa to legalize or not to legalize any day, Dr. Hansen.
Linia, Ghana Medical Association there, your position about compare the BIA. Even before about once and some election campaigns by, we have always stated our position. The position is we are against any attempt that will make the operations of Okada legal, because they feel say the health and safety implications, and the cost to the nation in terms of say nipa hospital space, resources, time, your best friendly, and the fact that the ICUs, the accident centers, a lot of the Okada related problems. You saw say a BPA and say a legal enterprise in Ghana. We should rather enforce every law that says that it is illegal. Now you're taking it out of our system. We keep asking ourselves, what is the main reason for this? Is it the economic or what? If it is about the economic, we believe, say, look, there are better jobs that can be generated out of the transportation system. Now, saying mass public transport, rapid bus transit.
Yes.
I didn't know for mine. All the private transport entities could be roped in to be part of it. The nation itself can actually take the lead and do the right thing. Sebio, train, tram, bus near there. And beyond that, especially bus. Me, yes, sir. Now you mass transport for Ghana. Osa. Ne, Bakonoka friends, Tata Bat for you. Yes, try a young Kola, you won't have Ghana. They were moving everywhere. Oh, if you say you're Metro Mass from President Kufuor should be doing, and I then I ain't Mokena, STC Walkway. It provides a lot of jobs for drivers. Yeah, why they say, why don't we do the right thing, which is more safe for the people of Ghana, than legalize a very unhealthy and unsafe practice? Opening back say the regulation there. Question a baby can say, dear, the factors that led to the imposition of that law, say, but Okada and legal enterprise for Ghana. Have those factors changed? No, they have rather worsened. 2, when we even made it an illegal activity, when about enforcement, your police before MT2 in there, have they demonstrated the requisite capacity to all of us say they can enforce and regulate? The answer is no. The identity say you compound your problem. Now you be a trainer, nipa be that hospital. Uber Kolebu, for example, the ICU now accident center.
Yes.
We used to use that ICU for a lot of different conditions. I have managed cases there in the past. But they say Obabano, Okada victims in Kwan Ajibet Nina, Obit occupy bed in 2-3 months on ventilators. The cost associated with it. Sometimes some come and we don't even have a place to put them. Okoye theaters, a lot of the surgeries we are doing, especially the orthopedic theaters, as a result of injuries that have occasioned people from Okada. At the individual level, media my SPNCB, Uber Mekase say mass near there one and because of Okada 4. They don't respect any of the rules. And I'm sure the general population have also experienced it. But in the process, now almost 80 accidents, casualties, the health and safety implications alone from where we sit, we believe it should never be made a legal enterprise in Ghana. Okay, but other things are Ebema employment ever. Now a country safer. All the people going to ride motorbikes and what have you. If we have proper trams, trains, buses, intracity working, they can employ all these people. And this will give them jobs that you can say, look, me were a Juma. You retire on pensions. You have things like medical care and what have you for your family, your own self. You know, it helps. Let's try and do what is standard. Let's not glorify things that people are even running away from in the name of politics.
Then there's the issue of former depending on Sir Okada for livelihood. And one year, in fact, the promises from the two major political parties are. Baku, on the other hand, promise say metro motorbikes na mebuno edia yadwuma. Baku so say, well, there's a car manufacturing plant e Ghana ha. Nyame nchade enti sam rent betimi aba mafei ya mo lease. Na womo de gisaka si bi sa wani je ho kwan dia na fe wa pese utwi taxi ana wo de Uber na say any of these way no what to me e de aye na say doka wo be ya pass say na wo kan ye be sa so adwene ho bio
e de bi nia eno ane no at the end of the day idea is important to us as medical doctors, the safety of the individual. 2, the safety of pedestrians and other users of the road. And 3, things that if you want to look at the economic angle, you can describe as sustained jobs. These sustained jobs will always have a positive impact on the health status of the individual, even at the point of retirement, because of our pension. So a normal moment is safer for all of us, and the long-term benefits are better. You believe it, that is the way to go, rather than a chaotic short-term activity. And obia a day extra cost beba yes so. Or minor, if we calculate the cost in terms of how much we spend medically trying to sort patients who have been brought to their facilities because of Okada and its operations, from medications to surgery to bed occupancy, the strain on practitioners and the death. Unfortunately, the deaths you cannot even put value on. But what is better than having a human life intact as opposed to spending money? So let's spend the money in a good way. Ebema sa undesired effect crashes near the end, a bit free or minimum. Na ya koso ya boy bra as a people, and then free the hospital space for other health conditions which are not self-inflicted but have occasioned. Now you to me, you take better care of the patient rather than bringing in this activity that will overwhelm the health professionals, crowd our OPDs, our theaters, our ICUs, and then delay care leading to unnecessary death.